guys. Let's do a little basic everyday out the door makeup look. First things first, start with your primer. Start with our Viva La Musical color palette, and we're gonna go in with some of our lightest shades right here. Go in with a color called Music Sheet, which is a very, very light, almost ivory color, and I'm gonna place that right underneath my eyebrow. I always love me a little bling, so I'm gonna take this rose gold color here, and I'm gonna go in across my lid. I'm gonna do a little bit on the under eye. I think I'm gonna go here with this guy, and he's called Practice Makes Perfect. How appropriate. Now we're gonna do a little eyeliner. I don't wanna do anything crazy here, I just want a little cat eye on the side. Now that I got my 3/4 little cat eye stitch going on, I'm gonna take just an eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna add a little bit of liner to my lower lash line, okay? I'm gonna connect it right into that corner where that cat eye is, and I'm going down and around on my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with my favorite everyday lash, which is our 3D Sultry lashes. They're cat eye, I love them for every day. Let's get it. Now I am going to trim these up a little bit. I always tell you guys, trim them if they're too long for your eyes. Like, you have to trim them to the size of the eyes that you have. But unless you have very sparse lashes, if you have lashes, I think the most natural thing to do is just to trim them to where they are 3/4, and you place them just on the outer edge where that line is. So I'm placing my eyelash glue along the ridge of my eyelash, okay? It's 3/4, it's gonna be just enough coverage to cover in where my eyeliner is. See how I didn't connect it into the interior of my eye? For a more natural look, but still a little bit of glam, this is a great way to go. And you're just gonna take that exterior part of your lash and place it right where your eyeliner is, right along that exterior lash line. All right, so we're placed. Now, once your lashes are on the outside corner, see, outside corner, hope you guys can see that okay? Yep. Once they're placed, take your mascara, and you're gonna place your mascara on. Concentrate on the inner eyelashes, okay? So if you have a really hard time putting on lashes and you do have, enough lashes, if you have very sparse eyelashes, you want to use the lash across the whole portion of your eye, which I will also show you how to do. But in this tutorial, we're going to focus on like the no fudge, putting your lashes on, can't mess it up. So once you have that 3/4 lash placed, you're just going in, like I said, you're concentrating on those inner lashes because you want them to end up matching the same lash length essentially as the exterior. I mean, they're not going to be as long, right? Like, our outer lashes are longer than our inner lashes, but they're going to make it look seamless, so you can't really tell that I'm wearing false eyelashes. Now it's time to do a little foundation. I'm going to go in with a little concealer right underneath my under eye and along the bridge of my nose. FYI, we have the makeup sponge that I'm using, and the eye makeup palette, and the lashes, and most stuff over on our website. And P.S. and by the way, a lot of our makeup is like $5, so go check it out. Shameless plug. Let's set this foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a blush. It's a Physicians Formula blush bronzer combo. I'm not going crazy here, so I do like to sweep a little bit on my apple of my cheek. Not everybody likes to do that, but I do. And I always make sure that I'm carrying it from the apple of my cheek up. And then I always go up right at my hairline, bring it around just a little bit. They sometimes refer to this as the C. And the C is basically going like this, up around your hairline, onto your chin, and then this is not a chin. This is not a chin. Not a chin. That's a cheek. starting at your hairline, going around down your cheek, and then down your jawline to your chin. And now for the highlights. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite highlighter, which clearly I need to buy more of because I'm most out. This is by Huda Beauty. I love this highlighter, and I just go down the bridge of my nose. And I'm obsessed, y'all, obsessed with our makeup brushes. I have to say, I think we have like the best value in makeup brushes anywhere ever. And I just take my flat little, it's technically a concealer brush, but it's like a little flat concealer brush, and I just take it right down a little narrow strip, right down the center of my nose. That's to have the light shine off of the bridge of your nose to make it look a little bit less wide. And then I go in across. I have a bulbous tip on my nose, so I always go like this. I don't do like a round dot. I go across like a little bar to give the appearance of having a slightly more defined nose tip, which I clearly do not have. So this is just to give it a little bit more of a, make it look a little bit more button-like, which one time someone told me I had a button nose, and that's how I knew that I had contoured it well. Because girl has a schnoz. Girlfriend has a schnoz. It is not a little button nose, but if you highlight it the correct way, she cute though. A little bit, kind of cute. Well, okay, she's not cute, but like it gets the job done. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm going in with my beautiful highlight brush, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this highlight and sweep her up all over my cheeks. Like so, like that. If you love my favorite Tabitha Brown, like so, like that. All right, guys, let's do the lips and a little bit of a brow, and that's gonna be it for your daily makeup. Like, I think she's looking cute. I think she's looking cute so far. But for the brows, take your favorite brow product. Mine is about out. I'm still using my Winky Lux from Target, and I am gonna bring you guys a brow product, I promise. But we've been doing really affordable beauty, and so I'm trying to find something like $10 or under that I really like. So as soon as I do that, I'm gonna bring it to you. But you're just gonna go in and basically draw the outline of your brow. Give yourself a little angle if you need to, like me. I need a little bit of an arch there. So just draw it in, and then take the other end of your brow product and fluff it out. Or if you don't, in our makeup brush kits, we give you this guy who I use for eyeliner, and then you have a spoolie on the end, and you can use him to, this is actually a better brow brush, so you can use him to like fix the brow. So we are basically done. The last thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna do a lip. So I just have a NYX Cosmetics lip liner, and it's just a real natural pink color, like the pink color of my lips. So I'm a firm believer in lip liner, so I always like to line. So gonna give her a little bit of a fuller look here. From our Freshly Bitten collection. I love this collection of lip gloss. For less than $5, honest to goodness, guys, this lip gloss is like the best. Go ahead and, yes. They almost to me feel like a little bit more of like a lip oil than they do actually like a gloss. Very, very hydrating. And we are done. That's it. Your everyday, easy, fresh face